Did you find another body servant? You did, didn't you?
Take me to the place where I come from. The only place where I really belong. Take me 'cause this voyage seems so long. Back to you. Ooh.
Our trip to Alaska was coming to a close, and we hadn't gotten a chance to move east into some of the interior. So we took a day trip to Talkeetna. The drive up, as you can see, was absolutely gorgeous, and boy, this brings back really nice memories. It took about an hour and a half from where we were in Palmer to get to Talkeetna. We kind of knew in the back of our heads, but hadn't really realized the importance. But Talkeetna is one of the stops on the Interior Alaska Tourist Train. And on the day that we were there, they had a continual load of trains coming every couple of hours and dropping off a whole bunch of cruise passengers and then picking them up, and the next wave would come in. It was pretty chaotic, and parking was very, very difficult. So we didn't stay too long, but we did find a completely outstanding bakery downtown. I had to walk about 5 to 8 minutes from a parking space, but the cinnamon rolls were absolutely worth it. Due to the crowds and Ada going absolutely bonkers, we left Talkeetna fairly quickly, but on our way back, we stopped at a little birch farm, birch syrup farm, and had a really delightful little break before we made the hour trip back to Palmer.
Oh, Puppers! Hi! What a cutie.
Mama's inside.
Oh, my goodness. Oh.
How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Oh, we're doing fine, thank you. Just on a little road trip.
Aw.
Did you find another body servant? You did, didn't you? Shh. Her grandfather taught her to get up on a bench yesterday down at the salmon hatchery, and now her new trick is jumping up on furniture. We're like,
Oh, I bet that's like dog heaven, all the sense.
oh, yeah. Not sure what I'm doing. Ooh, for me?
Isn't that lovely?
Birch cream soda, that is lovely.
And it's, you get the birch. It's not like, not there.
So, did you see this? Dad thought it was an antenna, but that's actually circ collection.
Oh. Cool. So sure enough, strung between the trees right next to the gift shop is their farm. And they've got a neat little display, and they talk about how much birch they get and in what weather they get it, and how they farm it. It's not very much, and so this entire group of trees on several acres of land doesn't produce that much a year, but they have several different types of birch syrup. They've got early draw, mid draw, and late draw, which is kind of equivalent to the different grades of maple syrup. And you have an opportunity to taste different flavors, and we got a couple of bottles to go on pancakes, and it makes for a very different pancake experience, but it's very, very cool. So with that wrapped up, we made the trip back to Palmer, and then the next couple of days, Dad and Stephanie were headed back to the airport and back to the lower 48 and the heat of Houston, and Ange and I started making our way towards Palmer and Tok and our way out of Alaska. So make sure to stay tuned for next week's video. where we start the trip back down the Alcan, and we've got some great video of the difference of the fire zone between coming north at the end of May and traveling out at the very beginning of August. So if you want to see that, hit the subscribe button so that you're notified when the video comes out. And as always, we'd appreciate a like, which helps us and it helps YouTube tell you that you're interested in this content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Seen islands, open spaces, Serengeti sun slowly rise. All these memories, I hold them near me when I sail the Aegean Sea. But there's one place for me. Take me to the place where I come from, the only place where I really belong. Take me 'cause this voyage seems so long. Back to